The Mini 2 is a fantastic drone. I just love it. But there are two problems that I found with this drone, not huge problems, but problems nevertheless, that I am going to try to fix, and I'm going to share that fix with you. So what are these problems? Well, the problem is that with the controller, there is no place to hang a lanyard. I like to put a lanyard around my neck. I feel that the controller is more comfortable that way, but there is no place to actually clip a lanyard on the Mini 2 controller. The other problem is with the drone itself. It is just too low to the ground. And when you're flying in tall grass or if there's snow outside, you don't want the camera to get into the snow. So it's great to be able to raise the drone somewhat so that it doesn't land in the snow or in tall grass. So these are two problems that I'm going to try to take care of today using my 3D printer. So if you want to see how I fix this, stay tuned and I'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. So basically, what I am looking to do is find a landing gear that will raise the Mini 2 off the ground by an inch or two so that it will avoid the landing on grass or in grass and in snow. I'm also thinking that it may be possible to use the gear to more safely catch the drone by hand. The other thing I'm looking for is a lanyard clip to put on the controller. Why DJI did not include this as part of the controller is beyond me, because it seems like something that a lot of people would want. But this is something that I think is very important and which would make my life easier because I am more comfortable having the lanyard hold the controller, and it just feels more secure. So there are lots of options that one can find on Amazon for these add-ons for the controller and for the Mini 2. You can find landing gear, you can find lanyard holders, but what I found is that these things, these little add-ons can be quite expensive. I mean, not terribly expensive, it's not going to break the bank, but if you have a 3D printer, you can literally print something similar for pennies, certainly for under $1. So what I did was I went to Thingiverse and I found a couple of options for the drone in terms of landing gear. I found one that I think will work really, really well. The other thing that I found is a lanyard holder that seems to be a really great design, and I'm assuming that it's going to work. Now, both of these items I haven't really printed out yet, so what I'm going to do is print them out, and then I'm going to see how good they are, whether they actually do what they advertise. So let's go and print out these two items and then see how well they work. All right, so both of these devices work really well. I'm very impressed with the Lanyard Holder and very, very impressed with the design for the landing gear. I think it's really cleverly done, and I'm going to use it. And in total, to print this out cost me under $1. Now, if you're interested in printing this for yourself, I put the links for these two add-ons down below, so you can download them from Thingiverse. And I also want to thank the makers of these two devices. I thank you very much for working on these and making these available to drone flyers. Anyway, if you like what you saw here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.